Hello traders. In this video we're looking at the DMI Stochastic Extreme Indicator. This version not only combines DMI and stochastic logic, but also recolors your price candles red, green, or gray to visually show trend and transition phases on the chart. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now, as you can see on your chart, the DMI Stochastic Extreme Indicator keeps normal candlestick but changes the body color based on its internal DMI stochastic readings, typically green for bullish, red for bearish conditions, and gray for neutral or consolidating phases. This means you can read trend buyers directly from candle color with extended sequence of green candles suggesting sustained upside pressure, extended red sequences suggesting sustained downside pressure, and patches of gray point to range like or indecisive price action. Now we go over to the settings. We have the time frame that it calculates on, the DMI period, stochastic period, and stochastic slowing period. All these parameters control the sensitivity of the indicator. Now let's go over to who it's for. The DMI Stochastic Extreme Indicator is designed for traders who like to see trend direction and strength directly on price candles without constantly looking at a separate oscillator window. It's a visual trend bias tool only and does not execute trades. Its color changes can still produce whipsaws in choppy markets, so it should be combined with your own support or resistance, higher time frame context, and risk management rather than used as an automatic signal. You can download the DMI Stochastic Indicator using the link in the description below. If you found this video useful, remember to like the video, subscribe to the Forex Geek, and turn on notifications for more indicator breakdowns.